Today we talk about how can you add customer on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on customers here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here you just click on all customers. Click on it here, and you click here on add customer here. So then it's going to take you here to add here customer, add here first name and last name, and here email address and phone. Then here country and company here address, then apartment here postal code, then city and phone, then here notch. So then here if you want to disable or enable collects taxes here, and here if you want to here add tax, that's all you have to do. So then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.